For this sample problem, meron tayong simple curve, tapos may point A located along the tangent through PC, tapos it is located 60 meters from PC, measured along the tangent, and 4 meters offset to the curve. Compute the value of the radius. So, himay-himay lang natin yung mga given information dito. No? So, meron tayong simple curve, tapos may point A daw located along the tangent through PC. So, ito yung PC natin. Yan, tapos ito naman yung tangent, no? Yung line na to na block. So, merong T dyan nakalagay. Ito yung tangent natin, no? So, it is located 60 meters from PC. So, from PC, papunta dun sa point na to. So, ito yung 60 meters, no? So, galing dito sa point na to, papunta dun sa kabilang point na yan. So, ito yung point natin, yung A. So, this is point A, okay? Tapos, measured along the tangent and 4 meters offset to the curve. So, pag offset, ibig sabihin yan 90 degrees yan. No? So, this is 90 degrees from the tangent to the curve. So, ito yung curve natin, yung color blue. Tapos, ito daw, yung offset na value niya is equal to 4 meters. Okay? So, ito yung 4 meters na yan. Yung distance na yan, yung offset from the tangent to the curve. Pinapanap sa atin dito is the value of the radius, r. Okay? So, since ito yung curve natin, yung distance dito, papunta dito is radius din. Ha? So, dalawang radius yan, yung dalawang black na color na yan. So, pag solve natin dito, ang gagawin natin dito is that, gagawin nating triangle yung dito na, na line. So, gagawa tayo ng additional na line dito para meron tayong ma-form na triangle. Kasi ito rin is 4 meters din to, no? This one is 4 meters. Since 90 degrees yan, tsaka 90 degrees din dito. Okay? So, parehong 90 degrees, mapuform yung rectangle na yan. 4 meters din yan, 4 meters din dito. So, ito rin is 90 degrees din to, no? Kasi, yan, parallel lang sila ng line na yan, yung dalawa. So, meron na tayong, yung distance na to, gawin na natin na, ito na. So, yung distance na yan, oops! Suglan natin konti. So, yung distance na yan, galing dyan. This is equivalent to, gawin na natin green, no, para yan, no. So, this is r minus 4 yung distance na yan. So, meron na tayong triangle, no. So, ito yung triangle natin. Pwede na tayong mag-Pythagorean theorem. So, we have 60 din kasi ito, no, kasi parallel sila dito. So, we have 60 meters, or di pala, no? R squared pala. Ito pala yung hypotenuse natin. So, we have R squared is equivalent to, we have R minus 4 squared plus 60 squared. Tapos, diretso na tayo sa calculator nito, no? Makukuha na natin si R. So, dito sa calculator, we have alpha x squared. Alpha equals, we have alpha x minus 4 parenthesis squared plus 60 squared. Tapos, shift solve. Yan, x equals 452. Or that's the radius, no? 452. Yung unit natin is meters. So, meters yan. So, the radius is 452 meters. Madali lang, no? So, ito na lang, no? For this sample problem. And thank you again for watching. And I hope na may natutunan kayo sa video na to. And see you again sa mga next na video uploads natin.